Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin troubleshooting your Kovold VK140, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a basic toolkit, including a socket set, screwdrivers, and a multimeter for electrical diagnostics. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small screws or components. First, check the battery connections. Start by inspecting the terminals for corrosion. Use a wire brush to clean any rust or buildup. If the connections are loose, tighten them with your socket wrench. A secure connection is crucial for proper function. Next, move on to the fuses. Open the fuse box and check for any blown fuses. If you find one, replace it with a fuse of the same amperage. Remember, a blown fuse may indicate a deeper issue, so if problems persist, seeking a professional diagnosis without obligation can be a wise choice. After checking the battery and fuses, let's look at the ignition system. Remove the ignition coil cover using your screwdriver. Inspect the coil for any signs of damage. If you notice any cracks or wear, it's time for a replacement. Also, check the spark plugs. Remove them with a socket wrench and inspect for carbon buildup or wear. Cleaning or replacing them could resolve your starting issue. Now, let's examine the fuel system. Ensure there's fuel in the tank before proceeding. If the fuel is old, consider draining it and replacing it with fresh fuel. Next, check the fuel filter. If it's clogged, replace it to ensure proper fuel flow. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Another critical step is to check for any vacuum leaks. Inspect hoses for cracks or disconnections. A vacuum leak can prevent the engine from starting properly. Use your hands to feel around the hoses for any air leaks. If you find any, replace the damaged hoses. If the Kovold VK140 still won't start, it may be time to look at the starter motor. To access it, you'll need to remove several screws and possibly some panels. Once you have access, check the wiring for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, you can test the starter with a multimeter to ensure it's functioning correctly. Before wrapping up, you might want to consider the fuel pump. Listen for a humming sound when turning the ignition on. If you don't hear it, this could indicate a faulty pump. Replacing it can be complex, so if you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our service can help you avoid unnecessary DIY frustration. Finally, after all checks are complete, reassemble any parts you removed and attempt to start your vehicle again. If it starts, congratulations. If not, it's best to consult with a professional. Remember, we provide no calls, no travel service to diagnose and repair your vehicle right from your home, making it easy and convenient for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.